Guys, this is Luanda Market and it's the eve of Christmas. I'm here with my mom to nanuna food. And yeah, very busy markets by the way. I can't give you, but since it's 24th, what do you expect? So yeah, this is my home market. They say Luanda Market has the most men in East and Central Africa. Did you know that? So yeah, there's a reason behind it. I'll tell you why. So guys, we even have traffic in Luanda on Christmas Eve. All of these Nairobians have brought traffic to our hometown. Traffic. By the way. Oh, cute! Guys, look. The sun is shining and the rain is raining at the same time. In my community, the myth is that a lion is giving birth when the weather is like this. So we have a new... Hey. We are enjoying watermelon, xoxo, joy. Kamera ikikuja kwako unafanya ma style, unatoa style. Unaona nikienda kwa Joy, unaona vile Joy anafanya. Joy. What up? Yeah, ama unasema what up? Xoxo. What up? Eh. Hivyo ndo inaendanga. What up? Oh my god, guys, Aki, can you imagine you people? Tulikuwa tumeplan for a campfire. Hii ndo ni nini? Yeah. We had planned for a bonfire for crossover to 25th. Tukingojanga ile star ya Bethlehem. And then guess what, guys? It's coming to rain. What a disappointment. My goodness. So tunaenda kupika xoxo. What up? Tumeshafundisha xoxo maswag. Kuhu, tunaitanga kuhu. Xoxo ni from the other side. Itakuja layers. Even after itaingia na nyanya. Frank is here on the decks in the kitchen. Aki light inatuambia venye uko smart. Who's that handsome bra? Can you bro even Frank? What up? Hey. Ako smart. This boy is handsome. Hey. Anyway, yeye anatupikia. And I'm so excited. I'm excited. Aki guys, oneni mvua inaenda kunyesha. Unaona inaninyesha hadi. What the hell? Mommy! Pus. Nini unasikia njaa? Pus. Pose ni ya nani ma? Nisimuita na ni Shaitula. Pus. Say Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Utaki kushikwa? Hi guys. So this is the Christmas Eve 2020. Tomorrow is Christmas Day and I'm so excited. As much as so many of my plans have failed, I'm still grateful that I am breathing, I'm healthy, and I'm happy. I'm with my family, they're all fine. Glory be to God, you know. Wow, let me just talk a little about Vlogmas, because I don't think tomorrow I'll talk about Vlogmas. I'll just end Vlogmas. I can't wait to end Vlogmas, by the way. It's been crazy. Wow. By the way, things not to do in December. Number one is Vlogmas. You see, like, I usually, before I started doing YouTube, I used to see people doing Vlogmas, and I thought it was such a cool thing, you know. And I was like, I'm gonna do this 25 days of Vlogmas. Until when I started, and on the third day, I remember on the third day I was like, this is not my thing. By the way, this is not, I'm quitting, I'm stopping this. But I have two friends who kept me going. Like, they kept, you know, no, keep pushing, keep going, you got this, don't give up. And that is day 3-5 hapo, like huko mwanzo it's like less than a week old, you know. And wow, I just can't believe that I have pushed through until day 24, and tomorrow is day 25. Guys, it's been crazy, but we have done great, we've done good. Well, by the way, thank you so much, everyone, to everyone of you. I just want to say thank you so much, because if it weren't for you, I don't think I would push so much or so hard. You can imagine if you posted a video and absolutely no one watched. So guys, you kept me going, you kept me on toes to produce videos every day, and I just want to thank you so much. Thank you for those who have been watching my adverts, because that's where my money is at. Thank you so much. Keep the spirit, okay? Thank you for the new subscribers. Baby, if you have subscribed, if you are a new subscriber because of Vlogmas, Maze, one love. Thank you so much. Yes, and I think the long and short of Vlogmas is, it's crazy, all right, but it's worth it. At the end of the day, I can say that it's totally worth it. So if you are a vlogger, if you're a content creator out there, and you're, you know, 50-50 about Vlogmas, be prepared to, you know, experience very crazy days, but you will see the fruits at the end of the day, all right? So will I do Vlogmas next year? Definitely. Definitely, because guys, mark you, as much as there's so much pressure with Vlogmas, it keeps you on toes. Like, you avoid so much, you know, the festive season comes with so much activities and so much temptations. You avoid a lot of, you know, all of that. So yes, I will definitely consider doing Vlogmas 2021. Yes, and but we will know once we get there. I've already gone through my mistakes, I've learned my lessons through Vlogmas, what to do, what not to do, and I think next year it's gonna be better. Hopefully it will be better. I'll work towards making it better, I promise you that. So yes, I will definitely think about Vlogmas 2021. What? Anyway guys, thank you so much. Thank you absolutely much. And as tomorrow we dive deeper into the festive season, guys, I just want to wish you a very merry holiday. Mujibambe yenu yote, jibambeni responsibly, all right? We want all of you to cross over to 2021. I want to see all of you, every single one of you, next year in one piece. So yes, please take care of yourself and jibambe, okay? And help a neighbor, help a friend, help whoever needs help, because that's the essence of Christmas, all right? To help each other, to show each other love and all that. Yes, and I think that marks the end of my video. Is there something I haven't said? Not really. Well, tomorrow is Christmas. We expected family to come over, but due to one reason or the other, they are not coming. So it's just gonna be a chilled out Christmas. Don't expect a lot, but mimi nitajibamba, you know, like I'll have a good time purposely. So also you purpose to have a good time. Enjoy time with your family, enjoy time with everyone around you. Basically enjoy every moment of your existence, guys, all right? And I think that's it for today's video. Danika nikona any other thing to say. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you've enjoyed Vlogmas 2020. I'm not going to say this again tomorrow. And if you have enjoyed Vlogmas, give this video a thumbs up, comment, share, and most importantly, guys, subscribe. So okay, let's just try and hit 2K but before 2020. I don't know, we targeted 5K, but clearly that's a big dream. So yeah, let's try target 2K at least. All right, we're only like 300 guys to 2K. So yeah, tell a friend to tell a friend, share, do it. Fanya hizo vitu za watu fanya. Subscribe, please confirm if you have subscribed. Thank you. And I think that's it for today's video. Thank you so much, guys, and today's shout out goes to every single person who subscribed through Vlogmas. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, I mean it. And guys, if you want to be shouted out in the next videos, I think that will be in 2020. By the way, I'll come back in 2021. I'm not coming to shoot any other video again after Vlogmas. We'll meet in 2021, maybe February or end of January, because I'm taking a creative break to also, you know, re-strategize my 2021 and do blah blah blah. So I'll see you guys next in February. Thank you so much. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year 2021. I love y'all. Always remember to create your own sunshine and don't stop shining. Bye. So much hugs and kisses from the rays of sunshine. Bye.